Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making smoked chicken thighs. You will need 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. In a small dish, combine the onion powder, garlic powder, and seasoned salt. Add the salt, black pepper, and paprika, then mix until well combined. Now generously season your thighs on both sides. For printable versions of my recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. You can find a link in the description below. For this recipe, I'll be using my Pit Boss smoker that has been preheated to 300 degrees. If you don't have a smoker, you can do this step in your oven. Place your chicken on the lower rack of your smoker, close your lid, and let it smoke for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, rub your chicken with your barbecue sauce, then allow it to continue to smoke for an additional 15 minutes or until your chicken has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft how to make